this video, I'm going to share with you how to fix the Warp VPN connection problem on PC. First, click on the Settings icon. Here you have the About Cloudflare Warp option. Click on it. Here you'll see the option to check for updates. Click on it. Make sure you have updated your Warp VPN, otherwise click on Download, Install, and Update this application. After that, if you still face problems, then click again on the Settings icon. Here you have the Preferences option. Click on it. After that, click on Connectivity available on the left side. Then you'll see the Check for Service Interruption option. Click on it. Here you'll see that it shows that it's working fine. Sometimes there's a server problem, which is why you face connecting issues. Now click on Connection available in the left side option. Here you'll see the Reset All Settings option. Click on that, and that's it. Check the VPN, it should be working fine.